Good day to you, young scientists. Dr. Blackstorm here, chief climatologist and meteorologist. Have you ever wondered how meteorologists know when a big storm is coming? It's not magic. It's science and technology. Imagine being able to see into the future and predict when rain, snow, or even tornadoes might appear. Well, that's kind of what weather forecasters do every day, and they have some amazing tools to help them. Think of it like putting together a giant puzzle. Each piece of the puzzle is a different bit of information about the weather. Some pieces come from the ground, some from high up in the sky, and some even from space. Weather forecasters use special machines called radars that can see rain and snow in the clouds. They also use satellites orbiting Earth that take pictures of huge storm systems. And let's not forget about super powerful computers that can crunch numbers faster than you can blink. All these tools work together to help us understand what's happening in the atmosphere. That's the layer of air all around our planet. By collecting and studying all this information, scientists can make pretty good guesses about what the weather will be like in the coming days. This is super important because it helps keep us safe. If we know a big storm is coming, we can prepare and stay out of danger. But here's the really cool part. The technology for predicting weather is always getting better. Scientists are constantly inventing new ways to study the weather, making our forecasts more accurate than ever before. Let's dive in and explore these exciting technologies.